Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with an exhibition of 10 by 20s, 10 by 10s, a few 8 by 10s. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I wanted to share this first painting with you. It's got wonderful shimmer. And I love using the Chantilly lace with the black because I get this amazing silver reaction. And then I'm going to show you my two books that are on the Amazon link that's underneath Show More, underneath the video. They're the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. And they make a great Christmas present. A lot of people are still telling me that they love these books. They're very relevant. And so this is the second 100 videos I made for YouTube on tools and processes and colors. And if you purchase one of these off Amazon, you have an option to get a $9.99 ebook. So I should check my availability of focus. Actually, you know what? I'm going to let that one slide and then show you the other two verticals. I said I would, but then I didn't. I tried to do this with not the black background, and it didn't work very well, so could be I need to find my lens cleaner badly. Alright, so this is a swipe. It's very, very glassy and very beautiful in the center. It reminds me of amaryllis at Christmas. I'm going to grab... Now the flowers, if you saw the landscapes video, they had a couple of ammonites and some flowers in. So this was included there. And this is obviously a painting that doesn't need to be a vertical. It could definitely be horizontal. It's a cover, it's a stage 2. It's definitely a party on canvas. I hope you can see the glassiness of that purple and the iridescence of that turquoise. This is a video that's coming up. Let's make sure you're seeing everything. Yes, no, no, oh gosh, no. Well, hopefully you didn't miss much. And you will have seen the flowers in the other video. So let's pull Escape forward. Make a note of the time. If you see something you'd like to purchase, make a note of the time and copy and paste the title of the video or write it down. And you can email me at easpbgallery, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com if you have an interest in making a purchase. The time is imperative. If I don't know the time, I can't identify the painting. So let's just put this whole stack right down. Right here. This was fun. This reminded me of water. This has a dragon face in it, which is pretty cool. That's a video that's upcoming. It has some shimmer, but I think there were leftover paints, and they're not always the shiniest. This is totally gorgeous. I love this. And hopefully I'm still in frame. And this was shown in the gardens, landscapes, and ammonites. Now we're going to go on to the 10 by 10s. Please feel free to ask me prices if you'd like to via my email. I may change my mind and post them underneath the video, in which case have a look down there. Make sure that these are right side up. I love this. This has a mixture of matte and shimmer, and the shimmer is awesome. I just love the composition of this completely. Really, really love that. This is another one I love. For the same reason, actually, and the composition, as well as the colors. I think I just like everything about that. Hey, look, it's a stack of ones I'm in love with. This is one also. This was... I think there was some leftovers in there, and then I added other colors on top, and I made a composition I'm just really super pleased with. That's a video upcoming. This was from when I was first learning scoop and drags. I recommend checking out Winterstrom art if you're interested in scooping and dragging. I have a couple few 8x10s. And that is that one. Let's see if I can make sure that we're in frame. Yeah, that's not so bad. This has a lot of shimmer to it. Very glassy finish on this. This was a stage 2 piece also. And here's another. Get some of these out of the way. Did I share those with you? I did. Okay. Hopefully that's not a bad view. One more 8x10 and we'll move on to the 10x10s. This has wonderful gold shimmer. Really beautiful. And the pinks too. This is got lots of prints available. It's not for sale. Or unless you're tenacious enough to make me an offer I can't refuse, it's not for sale. But it turned out well. And there's no video that goes with it, unfortunately. I wish there was. I think it would have been popular. This is when I was starting out my scoop and drags. Practice makes perfect. And this is not probably among the first, but moving along later. This is very recent. This was leftovers I probably should not have dared use. And I just created a composition over the top of it, and it turned out really well. I spun it out far enough, so it worked out great. This is not for sale. There are prints available of this. Or same thing. Make me an offer I can't refuse, and we can talk about it via my email, easpb and the word gallery spelled out @gmail.com. This I thought was sold, and I never heard back from the person who asked me to purchase it. So hopefully they're okay. My last two pieces. This is the companion piece to the stripes in the 14x14s. This is what I did by scooping and transferring onto white wet paint. And it doesn't have any shimmer, well, not much anyway, because it's house paint. And here's my last piece. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I do sell my artwork when I can. I would like to sell my artwork. Thank you guys for the donations that help keep me painting through PayPal and through joining memberships. Memberships are $9.99 a month. And there's a members only library of over 60 videos. My Amazon link is on the link tree. My 2 books are there available to you along with lots of other stuff. And if you shop the Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. You can shop anything on Amazon from my link. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. My community board is going to show you tomorrow's video at 2:15 p.m. most days. My email address I gave you already. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and under all tutorial videos you should find paint pouring recipes, no problem. Thank you for the thumbs up. When you share my videos and watch them longer, you help me out, and your comments keep my morale boosted. So thank you very much. I love you guys dearly. Look out for the other exhibition videos in October and November that started in, I believe, August and ran through October. Bye for now. Let's zoom right in on that. That's really pretty. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you anon. Because I can. Bye. Season's greetings.